Welcome to our kitchen. Mushroom risotto is a classic Italian dish that is creamy, flavorful, and comforting. To make this delicious meal, you will need arborio rice, vegetable broth, white wine, optional, olive oil, onion, garlic, mushrooms, Parmesan cheese, optional, salt, pepper, and fresh parsley for garnish. To start, heat olive oil in a skillet and sauté sliced mushrooms until golden brown and tender. Season with salt and pepper, then set aside. In a separate pot, sauté chopped onion and minced garlic until translucent and fragrant. Add arborio rice and coat it with the oil, onions, and garlic. If using, pour in white wine and cook until absorbed. Next, begin adding vegetable broth to the pot, one ladleful at a time, stirring constantly until the rice is creamy and cooked to al dente texture. This process will take about 20 to 25 minutes. Taste the risotto and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper. Once the risotto is cooked to your liking, stir in the sautéed mushrooms and grated Parmesan cheese if desired. Remove from heat and let it rest for a minute or two. Serve hot, garnished with freshly chopped parsley. You can customize this recipe by adding ingredients like peas, spinach, or roasted garlic. For a vegan-friendly version, simply omit the Parmesan cheese. This versatile dish can be enjoyed as a main course or a side dish, perfect for any occasion. Mushroom risotto is a labor of love, requiring patience and attention to detail, but the end result is well worth the effort. The creamy texture, rich flavor, and comforting warmth of this dish make it a favorite among many. So next time you're craving a hearty and satisfying meal, give this mushroom risotto recipe a try. You won't be disappointed. Enjoy.